Eating their first food. Yay! Look at that! It's a mix of dog food and pedigree wet food. And then water. Konting amount muna para hindi mabigla ang kanilang tummy. But look at that. They love it very, very much. Oh, sino yung nakabuka ka dyan sa dulo, ate? Sabi, oh, nakabuka ka. Ay, talaga naman. Oh. Malinis na malinis. Grabe, ang bilis na yung kumain. Ay, mas madami yan kaninang lunch kasi nag-try kami. Konting-konti lang. 1 tablespoon lang yung sinubukan namin. And now, mga 3 tablespoon na yung food nila. And there. Wow, very behave naman ang mga baby. And then, ang kanilang mga adult namin, kanilang mommy at daddy at Tito Nacho. You're eating dinner too. It's a mix of rice, liver, chicken, and dessert together with squash and potato. And here are the babies. Kailangan merong barrier here kasi magkakagulo po tayo. There you go. Paubos na ni sashimi. Good job. Napakalinis po ng kanilang place. Walang kalat. Yung iso. Grabe, intense oh, intense. Ay, kimchi?
Oh, si kimchi to.
Wasabi? Very intense.
5 to 7 days portion of the range. It looks like for the October 15 arrivals, yes. But just the same, as I said,